Hi, it's Jason with Intricate Coatings at another job here, epoxy floor with a customer. Let's see what they say about the floor and what they want to say about the company.
Jason's done an excellent job. His quality is outstanding. The prep work was, he's done it all. It looks outstanding, and I highly recommend it.
What were your thoughts on getting the epoxy floor scheduled?
Well, this is the first one that I've had done. I've thought about it in the past, and it just was the right time, and it looks really good.
So there's another testimonial. Thanks again. Thanks for letting us do the floor for you, and hope you enjoy it for a long time.
No problem. Thank you.